here at Bellevue Hotel in Panglao, and we're gonna be reunited with Alexis soon. We're here now. Here we are, and we're gonna get this.
Welcome to Bellevue Resort, sir.
Thank you so much. So here, Alexis is here, and Maps together. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Hoo 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 hoo. Hee hee. We have our welcome drink here. Oh, that's not a drink. That is a welcome towel. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels cold.
I'll have a welcome towel too. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Ali, sir. Hi. Welcome to
Ali?
Bellevue Resort.
Oh, Ali.
Yes.
Prince Ali. Ali Bob. Wow. Anyway. And I'm gonna. Oh, it's so nice and cold and fresh.
Kaya lang, none of my clothes fit. Or get a drink.
So good.
I'll get a drink.
Sige, we'll have a drink. Let's have a drink here. And this is Yancy.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay. Welcome to the Philippines.
Yes. Cheers. Reunion. March babies.
March babies. He's a September baby.
Oh, but why did we celebrate together before?
No, it's you, Ben, and me.
Ben Macalas?
Ben, the
The
Singaporean.
Singaporean. Yeah, what happened to him?
Who always buys DVD in Makati Cinema Square.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, it's his
What?
first time. Oh, he's saying hello to me again.
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome back again.
Oh, Mia.
Thank you.
Give each other a very big hug. Oh, so cute. Mia, hello.
Magsay ka na lang doon. Yeah, later.
She was a smoke.
Kaya, sige ma'am. Bye-bye.
See ya. All right, now we're going to the room. Going to the room. The buses are there.
Hi, mom said
We're now
I
going here. Now checking in with Madame here, and we can see they have so much daily activities. Now it's just signing in. Very good maps.
Okay, I'll sign it for you.
This is their check-in area. Ha ha ha. It's time for Mabs's sig break.
Yeah, it's a bad habit.
Where's the bar area? There, down there.
Bad habit.
It's fine.
Oh my God, you're 52 and you're
Where do we walk? Here, down there.
here.
Here. I'm 52, yes. It's a nice place.
It is nice, diba?
Yeah. Then we're here at the bar area called Marea.
Maria.
Marea.
Maria. Kando si Maria.
Yes. Hi, Maria. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Wala ba? Wait.
We're going to sit down and she's gonna smoke in the bar area. And we're going down here. Wow, look at the place here. We're going down here. This is a smoking area. Smokes. And the beach. There's the beach here. There's a gym down here. You're going to the gym?
Yeah, we're going.
Okay, let's go check out the gym.
Okay, check it out.
Ho ho ho, we go to the gym. For a while only, we're checking out the gym. Pool. Oh, they have a gym, but I'm not gonna use the gym much. This is their gym. There's equipment here. That stuff here. And you can do your pull-ups here. And they've got other equipment here, and you can place your belongings there. And they have a number of treadmills, and actually the view is beautiful outside. Look at that view. Anyway, use towels. Oh, they have complimentary towels. They have clean cups for drinks also, and use cups area, and water. And you have to sign in. Pretty nice. And we can play tennis here or something. Or maybe it's a pickleball court. Yeah, this is Tita Angie, the mother of Alexis. Say hello.
Hello.
It's a video.
Hello.
Say hi to your son.
Hello, Alexis Smart Tiki Hoven, my darling son.
Very
I
good.
love you very much.
Yes. Slim. Okay, fashion. Walk. Go.
Walk.
Show everyone your slimness. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, Mabs. Amazing. Amazing. And hug Tita. Like, aww, it's so cheesy, but yummy.
Going to Taiwan. Yes, Tita. December 5.
Very good. Mabs knows that our luggage is still here. I thought we won't find it. It's okay, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I got it. We got our luggage. And now we're going to the room. It's La La Land time. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, elevators time. Going to elevator. Elevator's really nice.
Yes, I know.
And then what floor are we on?
It's in
Room. What's this one? 538.
I can't see it.
538. Aha. Ha ha ha. It's open now. We're heading out now. 538. Wherever that is. Ow!
Oh, great. Wait. 538 here.
Here. 538.
And aircon.
Oh wow, they have aircon in the hall. Wow. That is amazing. 538.
We should get
Uh-huh.
here. 538.
Okay, do the honors.
Okay.
Be the tourist guide.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan. Oh my God, it's so nice kasi ang lamig.
Oh yeah, it's so nice and cold.
So nice. Bakit isa lang to?
Huh?
Oh.
Oops.
Dito ako tutulog.
No, I don't mind. It's okay.
Oh, talaga?
Yes.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Sige.
Ahaha.
Okay.
This is the bedroom.
Yes, this is our bed.
Are you gonna do the classic fall into the bed scene? Go. Like you're so happy to be here.
So,
Very good. Perfect.
okay.
And this and that and that and that. This is the room.
Oh,
And then we have a view. Beautiful view.
Yes.
Oh, in the
They're over
balcony.
there.
Shall we go outside here?
Just say hello to them.
Hello, people down there and up here. It's a nice
Oh,
place.
just say hello to them.
Who?
Oh, when? Chicky.
Where?
There.
It's not 11 o'clock. Oh, it's 11 o'clock already. Hurry up. We have to go down there. Bellevue Hotel.
Oh, mamaya ko na ayusin ito lahat.
Yes, fix it later na lang.
I'll fix it later na lang.